Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore the unique dynamics and characteristics of family businesses, exploring what makes them both highly resilient and uniquely complex in the modern economy. Our presentation is structured into two main parts. We will begin by defining the family business and then dive deep into the three-circle model, a fundamental framework for understanding how family, ownership, and business interests overlap. To get started, let's look at how we define a family business. According to JAF, it is any enterprise where family members take on active management or ownership responsibilities. Essentially, the core of this business model lies in shared blood, shared work, and shared ownership, creating a bond that goes beyond a standard professional relationship. To visualize these dynamics, we use the three-circle model. It consists of three overlapping systems: ownership, business, and family. These circles create 7 distinct categories of stakeholders, and understanding which circle an individual belongs to is key to managing expectations and conflicts. In the first category, we have family members who are part of the family circle but do not hold any property or participate in the day-to-day operations of the company. Their influence is primarily emotional and social within the family unit. The second category represents the intersection of family and ownership. These are family members who hold shares in the business but do not work within the organization. They are invested in the company's financial success, but are not involved in its operations. In the third category, we find ownership alone. These are external investors or individuals who have shares in the business, but are neither members of the family nor employees within the company. The fourth category covers ownership and business. These are non-family members who hold shares and also work within the company. They are key stakeholders who have both a financial stake and professional involvement in the firm's success. Moving to the fifth category, we have business. These are the employees who work within the organization but are not family members and do not own any stock. They represent the professional workforce driving the company forward. The sixth category is the intersection of business and family. These individuals work in the company in various positions and are family members, but they do not currently hold any shares or ownership in the business. Finally, at the very center, the seventh category, we have the intersection of all three circles. These individuals are family members who both hold shares and work in a professional capacity within the company. This group often carries the heaviest responsibility and faces the most complex role conflicts. While the overlap of these circles creates complexity, it also provides significant advantages, such as long-term commitment and shared values, which we will discuss next. However, no business model is without its challenges. In this section, we'll address some frequently asked questions regarding the disadvantages of family businesses and why many of them struggle to survive across generations. The disadvantages often stem from a lack of formal administration. When boundaries blur, such as placing non-working family members on the payroll or treating business cash flow as a personal bank account, it can negatively impact the organization's health and hinder professional strategic planning. Statistics show a sobering reality. Nearly 70% of family businesses fail or are sold before the second generation can take over. Common causes for these business divorces include inevitable family feuds, uncontrolled emotional dynamics, and a general lack of preparation to handle complex corporate issues. To ensure a successful succession, we recommend focusing on personal desires, open idea discussion, and formal planning. It is vital to foster an environment of innovation and creativity to help the business evolve rather than stagnating under tradition. If you're interested in learning more about managing these transitions and the strategic side of family enterprises, I invite you to visit my website at barazaccarlos.com for further resources and information. Thank you for your time and for watching this presentation. I hope this has provided you with a clearer perspective on the unique world of family-run businesses.